I always find it tricky to cook eggplants. It tastes very plain without proper seasoning. Also, the color can get dull and brownish very easily. The good thing is, I found the solutions for it. Let's learn how to make spicy minced pork with eggplants. Here I have one beautiful globed eggplant. If you use Chinese eggplant, get 2 of them. Trim off the ends and cut the eggplant into 2-inch strips. Prepare a big bowl of water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Soak the eggplants in salted water for 15 minutes. This is to prevent the flesh from oxidized and also make the eggplants more creamy after deep fry. Soak 2 pieces of Chinese mushroom in water for at least 3 hours and then dice them. This ingredient is optional, but it does make the dish taste much better. Prepare 250 grams of pork mince. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Marinate for 15 minutes. Then we prepare the sauce. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, and mix well. Also add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of water. Mix well and we will use it to thicken the sauce. Awesome! Then heat up half of wok of oil. Deep fry the eggplant for about 1 minute until they get slight golden brown. This step is to retain the texture and the bright color of the eggplants. Do not deep fry too long, otherwise the eggplants will get soggy and greasy. Then set aside. Heat the wok in medium to low heat. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the white part of scallions, ginger, and garlic. Slightly saute for 30 seconds to release aroma. Then add the Chinese mushroom. Saute for about 1 minute. Set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce. Slightly heat up for 10 seconds to release aroma. Then combine with the rest. And add the pork mince. Stir fry until the pork mince is cooked. Great, then we can add the sauce. Mix the sauce well with the pork mince. Then we add the cornstarch mixture to thicken the sauce. Awesome! Then we can add all the eggplants. Combine well, then set aside. Turn the stove to low heat. Then transfer the whole content into the K-pot. Simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, here we go! This is the Chinese spicy minced pork with eggplants, garnished with scallion. Get a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy the tender and silky treat of eggplants and intense savory seasonings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.